Example 12. Two students, Anil and Ashma, appeared in the examination. Probability of Anil will qualify the exam is 0.05. So, na Anil ku vandu, I'll take him as P and Ashima. So, I denote Anil by P and Ashima by Q. So, the probability that Anil will qualify the exam is 0.05. So, probability that P vanda. Nama probability use pandradhunala, I'll go with Q and R. Okay. So, probability of Q is 0.05 and Ashima will qualify the exam is 0.10. So, probability that Ashima will qualify is 0.10. The probability that both will qualify the exam, அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Q intersection R ரெண்டு பேருமே qualify பண்ணிடுவாங்கன்னா that is 0.02. Find the probability that both Anil and Ashima will not qualify the exam. ரெண்டு பேருமே qualify பண்ண மாட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா Q dash intersection R dash, which means Anilum qualify பண்ணல, Ashimaவும் qualify பண்ணல. It is an and. Okay, Anil and Ashima did not qualify the exam. So, probability of Q dash intersection R dash கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். நம்ம De Morgan lawல என்ன படிச்சிருக்கோம்? A dash intersection B dash is nothing but A union B the whole dash. இது வந்து De Morgan law. You would have learnt it in your 10th standard. So, probability of, it will be Q union R the whole dash. So, probability of Q union R the whole dash another, it will be 1 minus probability of Q union R. Okay. So, இப்போ இது என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்புறம் 1 ல இருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணனும். இந்த ஸ்டெப்பை மறந்துடாதீங்க. So, probability of Q union R will be probability of Q plus probability of R minus probability of Q intersection R. So, என்ன வரும்? Probability of Q is 0.05 plus 0.10 minus 0.02. So, first add பண்ணுங்க. So, you'll have 0.15 minus 0.02. So, this will be 0.13. So, this will be my P of Q union R. ஆனா எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்? 1 minus வேணும். So, P of Q union R the whole dash is nothing but 1 minus 0.13. So, this will be 0.87. Okay. Second subsection, at least one of them will not qualify the exam. So, இப்போ basically sample space எப்படி இருக்கும்? Anil, Ashima ரெண்டு பேரும் clear பண்ணிட்டாங்க. இல்லாட்டி Anil clear பண்ணல, Ashima clear பண்ணிட்டா. இல்லாட்டி Anil clear பண்ணிட்டா, Ashima clear பண்ணல. Okay? Or I have Anilum clear பண்ணல, Ashimaவும் clear பண்ணல. What is my question? At least one of them will not qualify the exam. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒன்னா இவன் குவாலிஃபை பண்ண மாட்டான், இல்ல இவன் குவாலிஃபை பண்ண மாட்டான், இது குவாலிஃபை ஆகாது. கரெக்டா? So, what will be my negation? What will be my not probability? So, I need probability of at least one will not qualify is nothing but 1 minus probability that both will qualify. Correcta? At least one will not qualify na, onna Anil qualify பண்ண மாட்டான், இல்ல Ashima will not qualify, or both of them will not qualify. What is the negation? Both of them will qualify. Okay? So, probability of at least one of them will not qualify is 1 minus both will qualify. So, it will be 1 minus probability of P 1 minus probability of Q intersection R, which is 1 minus, what is my Q intersection R? It is 0.02. So, which will be 1 minus 0.02 is 0.98. Okay. Subsection C. Only one of them will qualify the examination. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Probability that Anil qualify பண்ணிட்டான் and Ashima did not qualify, or Anil did not qualify and Ashima qualified. அதான் அர்த்தம். Only one of them will qualify. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Anil qualify பண்றான், Ashima qualify பண்ணல. So, this is an and case. Here, Anil did not qualify and Ashima qualified. So, which means this is also an and case. So, இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Probability of Q intersection R dash is nothing but probability of, let me draw a Venn diagram. So, I have Q and R. So, probability of Q intersection R dash and R dash is nothing but the whole thing except the R. Q intersection R dash will be only this area. So, what is this area? Probability of Q minus probability of Q intersection R. Correct? So it will be probability of Q minus probability of Q intersection R. Probability of Q intersection R dash is nothing but R dash another. This is my R. R dash will be everything except this circle. So Q intersection R dash and Q R dash intersect agudhu. It will intersect in this part. So what is this part? This is basically probability of Q minus probability of in the intersection Q intersection R. Similarly, probability of Q dash intersection R எப்படி இருக்கும்? Q dash is everything except this circle. Intersecting with R will be this area. So in the area another, it will be probability of R minus probability of Q intersection R. Correct? So it will be probability of R minus probability of Q intersection R. So what will be my value? Let me substitute the values I have. So 0.05 minus 0.02 plus 0.1 minus 0.02. Positive values la add pandren, negative values la add pandren. So I have 0.05 plus 0.1, which is 0.15 minus 0.02, 0.02, another 0.04. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் subtract பண்ணா I have 0.11. Okay, so this is my final probability. Okay. A committee of 2 persons is selected from 2 men and 2 women. அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? Men ரெண்டு பேர் இருக்காங்க, women there are 2 people. Okay, what is the probability that the committee will have no man, 1 man and 2 men? Okay, so இப்போ total என்னது? My total is 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. I need to select 2 people for the committee. So for the committee I need 2 people. So basically probability of no man. So what will be my total outcome? I have 4 people in total, including 2 men and 2 women. Appa I need to choose 2 people from the 4 people that I have in total. Yena committee la I need only 2 people. So I am choosing 4C2 and I need no man. Abdina enna artham? I need to choose only from the women. Correct? Appa enna irukum? It will be 2C2. No man na enna artham? You need not take this into consideration. You have to choose 2 people from the 2 women that is left. So 2C2 another combination நம்ம என்ன படிச்சிருக்கோம்? NCR is nothing but n factorial divided by r factorial times n minus r the whole factorial. So 2C2 will be 2 factorial divided by 0 factorial times 2 factorial, the whole divided by 4C2 will be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So numerator will become a 1. 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So 1 divided by 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by denominator la enna irukku 2 factorial 2 factorial. So this and this will get cancelled. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1. So if இந்த 2 numerator kondu pona I will be left with 2 divided by 4 into 3. Idu cancel agum. So I am left with 1 by 6. So the probability that there should be no man in the committee will be only women, 2C2, divided by total outcome enna? I need 2 people for the committee. I have to choose from 4 people that I have. So it is 4C2. Okay. Next subsection. I need 1 man. So probability of 1 man another, the total outcome will again be 4C2 because I need to choose 2 people from 4 people. But ஒரே ஒரு man தான் வேணும்னா I have to choose 1 man from this. So 2C1 choose பண்ணனும். Times I need another person. அத நான் woman ல இருந்து தான் எடுக்கணும். So I have 2C1. Clear? எனக்கு ரெண்டு பேர் வேணும். ஒரே ஒரு man தான் வேணும். So I am choosing from the 2 men that I have, 2C1. Then I have what is left? 2 women. So 2 women ல இருந்து ஒரு woman எடுக்கிறேன். So what will it be? 2C1 will be 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial times 1 factorial, which will be 2. So 2C1 is basically 2 times 2 divided by 4C2 is nothing but 4 times 3 divided by 2. இப்போதான் நம்ம அங்க பண்ணோம். So I have 4 times 2. I am taking this to the numerator divided by 4 times 3. So 4 cancel ஆச்சுன்னா I am left with 2 by 3. Okay. Next subsection. 2 men. So subsection C, probability of 2 men will be, total outcome will always be 4C2. 2 men na I'll choose from the 2 people that I have here. So I have 2C2 which will be 2C2 will again be 1. So 1 divided by 4 into 3 divided by 2, which will again be 1 divided by 6, the same as this. Okay.